Hello, little boy.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, little Nick.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
I am Jake.
Jake. Nice to meet
Yes.
you. Nice to meet you. What do you say? I say nice to meet you. You say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Too.
Too.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay. Now, Jake, please tell me how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. Wow. And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Give me 5. Okay. Now please tell me what color do you like?
I like white,
Mm-hmm.
red,
Mm-hmm.
black, purple,
Mm-hmm.
and orange.
You like so many colors.
Yes.
Okay. So, and what animals do you like?
I like rabbit, kangaroo, panda, fish, shark,
Ooh.
and ostrich.
And ostrich. Very good. Okay. Now please tell me what animals do you see at the zoo? What animals?
Lion.
I see.
I see tiger, lion, kangaroo, rabbit, horse, panda.
Rabbits
Just rabbit.
at the zoo?
Yes.
Okay.
Panda,
Mm-hmm.
monkey,
Mm-hmm.
bear,
Mm-hmm.
gorilla.
Okay. Enough. At the
At the zoo.
Very good. And what animals do you see on the farm? Just name 3 animals on the farm. I see.
I see horse, pony, cat, dog.
On the
Mm, on the farm.
on the farm. Very good. Okay. Now here, I will show you some cards. Okay, you look at them and tell me what is it. Okay. You ready?
Milk.
Milk. Do you like to drink milk?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very good.
Butter.
Butter. Very good.
Cheese.
Cheese. Nice.
Scratch.
Hmm.
Fight. Ouch.
What is it? Pinch.
Pinch. Cake.
Good.
Pat.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Hit.
Hit.
Hit. Is it nice to hit, kick, or pinch your friends?
No.
No? Okay. And this hurt.
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 Ouch.
Ouch. Hurt. And this one?
Noodles.
Very good.
Meat.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Ham.
Ham.
You don't look.
Juice.
Very good.
Hot dog.
Mm.
Salad.
Mm.
Pancake. Hamburger.
Good job.
Popcorn.
Very good. Now please tell me, what do you want for dinner?
I eat chicken.
I want.
I want to eat chicken, salad, noodles, turkey, chicken, spaghetti, and the bread
For
dinner.
dinner. Very good. Okay. Now, do you know Weekends Are Cool song? Weekends are cool. Okay. Can you please name days of the week one by one?
What's the day?
Days of the week. Here. What days?
Tuesday.
See, this is
Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
No.
See, M.
Mm. Monday.
This one?
Tuesday.
Mm.
Wednesday.
Good.
Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Weekend.
Yes, weekend. Okay. Now please tell me what day comes after Monday?
Monday.
Yeah, after Monday.
Monday.
What day comes after Monday? Monday?
Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday comes after
Monday.
Okay, what day comes before Monday?
Before Monday is Saturday. Monday,
Before Monday is Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday. And then again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Now, can you please sing the song? Weekends are cool. Can you sing? Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm off all day. I go to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday. I'm with my family, and then is school.
Very good. Okay. Do you know what day is it today?
Mm, mm,
What day is it today?
Thursday.
Mhm.
Mm,
Today.
Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. All right. So now, when we cough, sneeze, or bump into someone, what do we say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Very good. And what are the nice things to say? Excuse me.
Excuse me, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm. What else? Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank
Thank
you.
you. You're welcome.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. You're
You're
welcome.
welcome.
I'm
sorry.
sorry. It's okay.
Okay.
Excuse
That's
me.
me.
Nice to meet
meet
you. These are some very nice things to say. To say. Say.
Nice.
Say. All right. Okay.
What's
So
here?
now here, can you please tell me what letter is it?
At the J.
Hmm.
One sound.
Very good. And can you please make the j sound and read the word?
Jam. Pajamas. Jump.
Very good. Okay. Now here, read the poem. Check the words.
Jam.
Hmm.
Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my donut, but not on my hand.
Very good. Now please point the sounds and say the word, okay? P sound. P.
Pancake.
Very good. What about d sound?
D. D. D.
D.
D. D.
D.
D.
D.
D.
Letter D. One sound. D.
Letter G. E.
Yeah. What is it?
Donut.
Damn it. Why it took you so long? Huh? Okay, what about b sound? B.
B. B.
Mm-hmm. B.
Bread.
Bread. And one more b sound in this poem. There's one more.
One more.
Yeah.
One more.
B. But.
But.
Okay, what punctuation
But,
mark is this? What's this?
You
You don't know?
Huh?
What's this?
Question mark.
No.
Question.
When do we write question mark? When we have a question, okay? This is period.
Create.
Period.
Yes.
And what do we need between two words? We need
Space.
space between two words. Brian. Sorry, Jake. Okay, so do you know Big Big Turkey song?
Yes.
Okay, can you please sing? Go.
I am big, big turkey. Eat and eat. I'm so fat and can't see the feet. When I run, whoa, 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 whoa. When I talk, oh, gamo, gamo, gamo. I'm big, big turkey. I eat and eat.
I eat and eat.
I eat and eat.
Is turkey big or little? Is
Mm,
turkey big or little?
Big.
Big. Are you big or little?
Little.
I'm little. Say I.
I'm little.
I'm little. Okay, is turkey fat or thin?
Fat.
Turkey is fat. Don't do that. No. Yeah. Be nice. Okay. Can turkey see its feet?
Um,
Can turkey see its feet?
I can see the feet.
Turkey cannot see feet, okay?
Yes.
Can you see your feet?
Yes.
Can you see your back?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, show me. Can
No.
you see your back?
No.
No, I can't.
No.
Okay, all right. So, do you know cow, all white and black?
No.
No. Oh,
No.
let's see
I
the check.
don't do.
Don't play. It's dirty. Don't be dirty boy. Here we go. Cow. Go.
Cow, a white and black. Give me some milk for my snack. Cow, a white and black. Give me some ice cream for my snack.
Where is some? Give me ice cream.
Give me ice cream for my snack.
Hmm.
Cow, a white and black. Give me some cheese for my snack. Cow, a white and black. Give me some butter for my snack.
Give me butter for my
Give
snack.
me butter for my snack. Cow, oh cow, I see. Come and have a snack with me.
Okay. Now, if you want to have a snack, how do you say your mother? How do you ask?
Mother, help me with my snack.
Oh,
I'm not
mother,
sure.
help me with my snack. How do you say your mother for a snack? Mother, please
Mother,
give me
snack with me.
Mother, please
Please
give me ice cream for my snack.
snack.
Or you can say,
Mother, give me some chicken for my snack.
yes, very good. Okay, you like that? All right. So now we have one last thing for you to read.
Jam.
Okay, now you can point and read the story.
Jam. Jam on my bread. I like jam on my bread.
Okay.
Ham on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza.
Okay, faster.
Eggs with my rice. I like eggs with my rice. Noodles with my soup. I like noodles with my soup.
What's this? In.
Eat my soup. Trees on my sandwich. I like trees on my sandwich.
On is this? On. In. This is in. Inside. In. In my sandwich. Come on.
Milk with my cookie. I like milk with my cookies. Meat with my spaghetti. Meat on my spaghetti. I like meat in my on the
In. It. In. In.
In my spaghetti.
I
Butter.
like meat in my spaghetti. Here.
Butter. Butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad.
Here.
Candy. Candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake. Cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday.
Very good. Okay. D.
The end.
What do you like for your birthday?
I like cake
And
and candy and ice cream.
and
Ice cream.
you don't like
And ice cream for
you don't like
birthday.
toys. You don't like toys for your birthday.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now please tell me what do you like or want with your rice?
Rice.
Yeah. What do you want with
Rice?
your rice? Yeah.
I
Or what do you like with your rice?
I like fish with my rice. I like
Look here.
chicken with my rice.
I like fish with my
And
rice. Okay.
turkey with my rice.
Okay. Now please tell me what did you eat for lunch today?
And I
What did you eat for lunch today?
lunch.
Hmm.
I
I ate.
I
What did you eat?
I eat.
I ate.
I eat. I eat. I eat it. I eat egg. I eat.
Eggs
I
and
eat egg and ring milk and ice cream and pizza. Pizza.
for lunch.
Flan, pizza, ice cream,
Okay,
egg.
fine. All right, okay, give me back. Okay, okay, our speaking time is over for today, and you have done a really great job here. And we are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, everyone, and see you again.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.